The new office is nearly finished.
Good. We need the space by the first.
Absolutely, the clientele is growing.
Did you hear about the merger?
Yes, it's quite something.
Did you get the ticker tape results?
Meet me by the stand later. Must have been the wind.
Take 50 shares of that consolidated stock. Don't be late for dinner.
I'm telling you, the Dodgers will take it this year.
They said that last year, too.
Pardon me, coming through. I told him straight, we can't make the deadline.
Oh, Arthur, you didn't. What did he say?
He wasn't pleased, I can tell you that. I'll meet you right after the morning briefing.
Sounds like a plan.
She told me the dress wouldn't be ready until next week.
That's ridiculous. I need it by Friday.
Watch where you're going, Mac. Looks like rain again.
Give him a ring sometime.
Heading to lunch? Are we still on for dinner at 7?
Excuse me.
Read all about it.
Did you see the headline this morning?
Yeah, rough business down at the docks.
Say, where's the nearest subway entrance?
I'll meet you at the diner later.
Oh, pardon me, ma'am. Did you see the headline? I told him it was a marvelous idea.
Just wonderful, simply wonderful. Oh, pardon me.
Don't forget the meeting at 3. Oh, I'll be there right after lunch.
I told him absolutely not. We won't stand for it.
Did you see the headline on the Post today?
The delivery should arrive by noon on the dot.
Extra, read all about it. Get your paper here. Gotta get to the office before 10.
Tell me about it.
Hey, watch where you're going.
Sorry, Mac, didn't see you there.
The afternoon edition says the Dodgers took it in the 9th.
I tell you, the Picture Palace downtown is the bee's knees.
Did you catch the game last night?
Finest steak in the city, right over there.
Did you hear about the Dodgers game yesterday?
Oh, what a shame. Maybe next time.
Are you heading to the show? Yeah, I hear it's a real knockout.
Did you catch the game last night?
Nah, Mickey Mantle struck out again.
Get your paper, read all about it. The afternoon figures are looking solid.
Yeah, grab me a coffee, will you, before the meeting?
Heading to lunch now?
Yeah, I'm starving. Might go to the diner. I'll meet you at the usual place around 5.
Sounds good. Don't be late.
Did you see the price on that new dress at Macy's?
I know, highway robbery. We should wait for the sale.
Look at that marvelous new display in the window.
I'm just glad we finally got the day off.
Good morning, sir.
Fine day for a walk.
I'll see you at the office.
The traffic on 5th Street is dreadful today.
Well, we still have plenty of time before the reservation.
Let's hope the subway isn't too packed. I'm telling you, it's the best deal in the whole city.
Yeah, maybe so.
Excuse me, just coming through here.
Oh, did you hear about the Dodgers game yesterday?
Did you see the headlines this morning? All right, I'll see you later.
소에게 우리 가게 연에서 하나 사야 해.
그래, 그게 좋겠다. 너 집 가까운 거리에서 만나자. Did you see the morning paper?
Not yet. Were the rates listed? Say, did you hear the news about the Dodgers game yesterday?
Oh, frankly, don't get me started. They were dreadful.
I told him we should take the subway instead.
I wouldn't trust them further than I can throw them.
Well, did you get the tickets for Saturday? Did you see the morning headlines?
We should really go dancing tonight.
Traffic is absolutely dreadful today. Meeting at 5?
Make it 4.
Absolutely. See you there.
He said the Dodgers are finished this year.
I told him that's just malarkey.
Watch where you're going, buddy.
Are we still meeting Mildred for lunch?
Wouldn't miss it for the world.
He said the Dodgers are going to take it this year.
I sure hope you're right.
The tickets are already sold out for the show tonight.
We should try that new diner on 5th instead.
He said the shipment arrives tomorrow morning.
Did you hear about the proposal downtown?
I know. It's just wonderful news.
I'm telling you, the Dodgers are going all the way this year. You're all wet. They haven't got a prayer against the Yanks.
I told him it wasn't going to work out. You should have seen his face when you said that.
I'll see you at the office tomorrow. Sounds good. Take care.
Did you see the morning headlines?
Yes, the senator gave quite a speech regarding the new infrastructure bill.
You won't believe what happened at the office. Johnson got the sack.
You're kidding. Right before the holidays, too.
I'm telling you, it's the fastest way to get to Gimbel's.
All right, but watch out for the traffic on 5th.